So today we're going to read a book, and this book is one of my boys' favorite books to read. I read it to them all the time when they were little. This is called Pete the Cat and His 4 Groovy Buttons. And after we read this, we're going to do a fun project where we're going to make our own groovy buttons and our own rain jacket, and we're going to make our own math problems. So before we get started, I want you guys to think about a time where you might have lost something that you really cared about and how you felt, the emotions, or you might have felt sad or frustrated when you lost something that was special to you. I want you to think about those feelings. And as we read this story, kind of think about maybe what Pete feels as he's losing things in this story. And we'll go ahead and write some of those feelings that you may have thought about or feel when you've lost something special to you. You can write them down on the whiteboard, or I'll make a list of things you might be feeling. Let's see. And then we're going to go ahead and get started with this book. Does anybody want to take a guess what this book is about? Yeah. Maybe some buttons and a cat named Pete. It looks like maybe one might have popped off. Maybe he lost something. So we'll go ahead and get started. Pete the Cat and His 4 Groovy Buttons. Written by Eric Litwin. Art by James Dean. Creator of Pete the Cat. It looks like there's a bunch of buttons. Pete the Cat. All right. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Can anybody raise their hand and take a guess at how many buttons are left? All right, let's see. 3. 4 minus 1 is 3.